Hey guys, it's your boy Joe back at it again, CodingPhase.com. So today we're going to go over on how to install Crystal Lang. So the first thing that we're going to do is we're going to go to Crystal Lang, just like this, crystal-lang.org. Then the next thing that we're going to do is we're going to go to install. Okay, you're going to choose whatever system you use and you're going to follow it along. For me, what I'm going to do is I'm going to use Mac OS using Homebrew. So first of all, we're gonna install Homebrew. So we're gonna come here, select this, copy it, go here to your launchpad, click on terminal. All right, now the next thing that you're gonna do is your terminal opens up. You're gonna paste in the code that you copy from here. You're gonna click enter. Press enter, put in your password. Okay, save that. It's gonna take some time, and once it's complete, everything should be fine for you. So I'm gonna pause this for now to not waste your time. All right, cool. So Brew has been installed. So now the next thing that we're gonna do, we're gonna come here to the docs. We're gonna come in and take this and put into our terminal, paste it. Brew update. Okay, so just in case you have an older version of Brew, make sure that basically you update it. Then you're gonna come here, copy this, Brew install Crystal. You're gonna paste this into there. Okay, click enter. It's gonna take some time, so I'm gonna pause this for you guys. All right, so now that it installed, we should have Crystal. What we're gonna do is we're gonna search for Crystal, right? We're gonna run this, click enter, and if this shows up, basically that means Crystal is running. Okay, if you wanna play around with Crystal, all you have to do is say Crystal play. Okay, and then now it tells you it's listening on HTTP 127.0.1 port 8080. Okay, or you could just say localhost, okay, 8080. Go there, and there you go. This is Crystal. So you have the programming language already running on your computer. If you want to test things out, you can actually play around with the programming language directly through here by doing something like this, like, hey, top mod equals Ramsey Jordan. Okay, and then we say puts top mod, which just pretty much just prints it. Okay, and there you go. So this is a variable, this is a string. We're saying this variable is equal to that string. Here we're saying print top mod, the variable, and it actually prints out Ramsey Jordan. Okay, and it tells us it's a string. All right, guys. So happy crystaling, happy playing around with this. This is a great programming language. I hope you guys enjoy this. We're going to continue releasing more videos. Make sure you check it out. crystalcast.io and CodingPhase.com. I'll see you guys later. Peace.